Okay, so today we're going to make purple cabbage and apple juice. So, um, purple cabbage, it has glutamine. It's an amino acid that helps calm inflammation. So basically, if you have any gut issues, this is something that you can add to your regimen. And if you're dealing with eczema, for sure you have, issues going on with the gut. That's just, everyone has, issues basically. So we have to take these simple steps to overcome all those issues, right? So this here, like I say, let me make it color a little better. So this here is purple cabbage and apples. And then also I'm making a juice today, but you can also eat purple cabbage, with your salads or whatever. Um, it's definitely the fiber in there is definitely good for, like, feeding the the beneficial gut bacteria. So keep that in mind. But yeah, this is gold, and it has so many other benefits when dealing with skin issues and stuff like that. I, like you guys already know, I make my own sea moss gels. You know, that's something else you guys can do. That's a whole nother topic. And then something else for the gut. I'll take this gut support right here, ion. I've been taking that for a while, and that's in my book. I'll talk about that a little bit, but yeah, definitely key to get in your gut right. But let's make the juice, and yeah, be a simple short video for you guys. All right, so we got it chopped up. So, like I said, purple cabbage and apples. So I'm only using half. I got the other half over there, as you can see. So yeah, let's load up the nama. And yeah, these tips that I give, like if you look at all the previous videos, this is just stuff that I do on a regular. And my goal is to just show everything that I do and help you get rid of eczema, not manage and not to, no, the goal is step by step, day by day, so eczema is completely gone. Because I live with it for a while, and I have absolutely no issues now. And my way was completely natural as far as to doing things like this. So if you look at all my previous videos and all the previous the future videos, it's gonna be all related to just natural stuff, as far as to you know getting rid of eczema. And not only just for eczema, just it's all kind of other benefits, health benefits. So yeah, let's make this juice, and let's keep it going. All right, nama's loaded. So there you have it. And then this purple make a nice color juice. You can kind of see the color, get an idea. Kind of look like a red apple juice. Okay, so it's like a reddish purple. So you can get an idea. So yeah, give this a try. Yeah, this is definitely going to be beneficial. So let's cheers to becoming eczema free, or psoriasis, or any skin condition. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Catch you on the next one.